How long does it take to fund a deal? We can close in as little as 15 business days if you provide us all the necessary items. That's going to be copies of the purchase contract. That's going to be access to the property so the appraiser can get in there. We're going to be waiting for an appraisal to come back. We've got to get that from the appraiser. We're going to be waiting for title insurance, hazard insurance. One of the biggest things we wait for is contractor bids, making sure we have the contractor bids on the proper forms with signatures and prices that have been outlined. Those are the things that slow down the closing the most. But if you have all of those things and can get them to us right away, we can close in as little as 15 business days. Don't fret if you don't have this all worked out. We can help walk you through the process, but it may take a few more days to get that done depending upon how long we're waiting for other parties like title and hazard and contractors to get their information to us in order for us to process. You see, we're the fastest to get things done, but we're waiting on everybody else to provide with the information so that we can make the closing a reality. So if it takes you longer to get these things, it would take longer for the closing to occur.